My name is Brian Jones. I'm from West Wales, the Carmarthen area, just outside Carmarthen. And from being involved in the farming industry, I have diversified over the years and become involved in manufacturing, purchasing and the wholesaling of food to catering outlets, schools, hospitals, colleges, Aberystwyth, we're grateful, restaurants, hotels and such like. I've lost many nights sleep growing the business because it hasn't been easy. But when occasions like this happen, I can't say enough how grateful I stuck at it to see it through when it starts to come a little easier and you start to make a bit of a profit. Not big profit, but you make a bit of profit. And it means an awful lot because for another reason, I in fact spent some years in a school up near Aberystwyth. Probably one of the nicest times I had in my, happiest times I had in my life. And I have a strong affection, not from fabrics, but Cardiganshire as a whole. To me, they still have the culture of a true Welshman, away from the big motorways. About 8 years ago, PGI status was given to Welsh beef. And I saw an opportunity whereby we could grow and create a brand using the, should we say, the fact that Wales was now given PGI status and capitalise on that and market more Welsh beef, supporting the Welsh beef industry. We had to turn to somebody who could create a protocol. It was no point just having an animal and producing an animal, saying that's born in Wales, reared in Wales and processed in Wales. It had to have a strict protocol, which meant that the way it was fed, the way it was reared, and the conditions under what it was brought to the point of being processed would add value to it. And IBA were so invaluable here. They brought their science, whereby animals these are not stunt growth. They are not stored. They're grown continually under good conditions, fed on very good diets towards the last 60 days. And really, they brought the protocol, which was so invaluable to strengthening the brand that we developed called Celtic Pride.